In this question, it is given that the foot of perpendicular of the point 205 on the line this is alpha beta gamma, then which of the following is not correct? That is, according to question, this is the line whose equation is x plus 1 by 2 equal to y minus 1 by 5 equal to z plus 1 by minus 1, and this is the point 205, and we have drawn perpendicular from 205 on this line, and this point is alpha beta and gamma given to you, and we have to find the relation which is not correct. It's very easy to find the value of alpha beta and gamma. To find it, let it be equal to t, then x is equal to 2t minus 1, y equal to 5t plus 1, z equal to minus t minus 1. It's clear that whatever is the value of t, this point will surely lie on this line. Therefore, I can suppose that alpha is equal to 2t minus 1, beta equal to this, and gamma equal to this. And once the value of t is found, we'll get the value of alpha beta gamma. That is, I'm supposing that alpha equal to 2t minus 1, beta equal to 5t plus 1, gamma equal to minus t minus 1. To find the value of t, I will proceed in this way. Let this point be A and this point be B. Clearly, direction ratio of AB will be equal to 2t minus 1 minus 2, 5t plus 1 minus 0 minus t minus 1 minus 5. That is, I get 2t minus 3, 5t plus 1 minus t minus 6. These are direction ratio of AB, and direction ratio of this line are 2, 5, minus 1. For line, and because AB and the line are perpendicular, therefore I can say 2t minus 3 into 2 plus 5t plus 1 into 5 minus t minus 6 into minus 1 is equal to 0. That is, I get 40 minus 6 plus 25t plus 5 plus t plus 6 equal to 0. That is, I get 30t equal to minus 5. That is, t equal to minus 1 by 6. Hence, we conclude that alpha is equal to minus 2 by 6 minus 1, that is minus 4 by 3. Beta equal to minus 5 by 6 plus 1, that is 1 by 6. Gamma equal to 1 by 6 minus 1, that is minus 5 by 6. And with the help of these three relations, I will check the choices. As alpha is minus 4 by 3, beta equal to 1 by 6, and gamma equal to minus 5 by 6. Hence, the value of alpha beta upon gamma is equal to minus 4 by 3 into 1 by 6 upon minus 5 by 6. That is equal to 4 by 15. Hence, first relation is correct. But we have to find the relation which is wrong. And now, alpha upon beta is equal to minus 4 by 3 upon 1 by 6, that is minus 24 by 3, that is minus 8. Hence, second is also correct. Third, beta upon gamma, that is 1 by 6 upon minus 5 by 6, that is minus 1 by 5. Hence, third is wrong. And because we have to find the relation which is wrong, therefore third choice becomes the answer.